November 22, 2015, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. At the 27th ASEAN Summit, the leaders of the 10 ASEAN member states signed the Kuala Lumpur Declaration on ASEAN 2025, forging ahead together. A forward-looking roadmap that sets out the future direction for a politically cohesive, economically integrated, and socially responsible ASEAN community, and guides the path for ASEAN's further integration from 2015 to 2025. The ASEAN 2025, Forging Ahead Together, contains the 3 blueprints for achieving the ASEAN Community Vision 2025. These blueprints have action lines and strategic measures that seek to complete key goals within a specific time frame. Through the ASEAN 2025 Declaration, the ASEAN reaffirms its commitment towards the continuation of ASEAN community building, grounding on the experiences and expertise obtained in the past years to forge ahead together towards the next phase of ASEAN's evolvement.
Celebrate ASEAN, 50 years of building. One vision, one identity, one community.